Welcome to Study Loop.
To calculate the confidence interval for a population proportion, we use the formula the confidence interval is equal to the sample proportion plus or minus the critical value, and I'll demonstrate this with a critical z, and multiply that by the standard error, which is the square root of the proportion times 1 minus the proportion over the sample size. So what you would need to know for a 90% confidence level, that critical z is about 1.645. And if we're using a sample proportion of 0.56, what could a confidence interval look like? Well, we need a sample size, so let me just use 500 for a demonstration. So the confidence interval would be the sample proportion plus or minus the critical z times the square root of the proportion times 1 minus the proportion over the sample size, which again I'm demonstrating this with a sample size of 500. The lower boundary is found by subtracting 0.56 minus 1.645 times the square root of 0.56 times 1 minus 0.56 over the sample size, again 500. I'll go to 4 places, 0.5235, and the upper boundary is found by adding 0.5965.